Our 8th tutorial is Data Import Restore SQL File. To get started, let's open our connection. From the Management Navigator, you can import SQL file. Click the Data Import Restore. On the Import option, select Import from Set Content File. Then choose the file you want to import. Choose the schema that the data will be imported to, or create a new schema. Click Start Import to begin the import process. Import completed will be displayed when import process is successful.